right, so this is our potato clock, which has been running for about 4 months now. And the entire system is with a couple of potatoes. Now, these ones, again, it's been about 3 or 4 months. They're starting to look a little bit worse for the wear. So I'm just gonna change them out and we will get it reset for the next semester. So as soon as I disconnect one of the contacts, I have essentially broken the circuit and obviously the clock will stop working. So I'm just gonna take these wires out. I get a little bit stuck in the potato after a few months. And I've also got these metal strips. So these are the old potatoes, looking a little worse for the wear. I'm gonna put in my brand new potatoes. So we have built into the clock these two probes. One is brass, which is this yellow one. So I'll stick it on this side, and this one is actually a zinc. So we have the brass probe on this potato, the zinc probe on that one. Now when I go to hook up the secondary connections, I'm going to put a piece of copper into the potato on the right, and I'm going to put a piece of zinc into the potato on the left. So one probe is brass, the other one is zinc, and on this side one of them is zinc and the other one is copper. So we'll notice that the clock is not currently on, but as soon as I make the connection, we can see that our clock is reset. So, very interesting little gizmo. Students really like it. Again, this digital clock, we've run it for up to about 5 months on a potato. Once in a while you might have to readjust these pieces of metal. The potato starts to get a little bit dried out, but otherwise you can run this nice little digital clock for months on end off of about 5 cents worth of potatoes.